My dear friends, when you come to today's May 24th, today we celebrate the feast of Mary, help of Christians. We all of us know in our lives, Mary have got so many honored names, especially now Mary's litany, we say so many honors. In particularly, Mary have got Mary, Mother of God, because she's a Mother of God, Jesus Himself. Secondly, it comes Mary, help of Christians. Why this name had come? As the early church we read, Luke very beautifully writes in the Acts of Apostles, Mary was guiding, protecting, and interceding, helping the early Christians. When we read the Gospel of John chapter 2, when they were in the shortage of the wine, Mary comes forward to help them, to satisfy their problems, to take away their sorrows and struggles in the wedding house. My dear friends, in our lives, many more times, before our knowing, Mother Mary comes forward to help. That's what in the history we see.